Hello developers, welcome to Xamarin coding tutorial. Today I'm going to show you demo of collection view in Xamarin Form. I have created one sample application that will demonstrate collection view with linear item layout and collection view with grid item layout. So here is the first one is a collection view with linear item layout. Here this one is the collection view with linear item layout, and that orientation is a vertical, and by default this collection view item layout is a linear item layout, and that orientation is a vertical. And second one is a collection view with linear item layout, and that orientation is a horizontal. Same way this one is a collection view with a grid item layout, and this first one is a grid item layout with orientation vertical, and here span 2 means record are divided in two column. Right now I said that span to 3, so it was showing in a 3 column. And same way second one is a collection view with a grid item layout, and that orientation is a horizontal. And here like span 2 means record are divided in 2 row. Right now in coding portion I said that span to uh, 3, so that's why it's showing in that 3 rows. So let's see that coding portion. So these two button I declare on main page here, and on the click of that button I was navigating to uh, another page. So first one, for the linear layout I designed that employee detail page, and for grid item layout I designed that employee detail page 1. So on employee detail page I'm using two collection view. First collection view, that layout is a linear layout, and that orientation is a vertical. And second one is that second collection view layout is a linear layout, and that orientation is a horizontal orientation. And here in both the collection view I am setting that item source to as a employee details, that coming from employee detail view model. So on employee detail page I said that current page binding context as a employee detail view model. And on employee detail view model I created one object as name of employee details, and that object is a type of employee model. And employee model contain property like first name, last name, country, and so on. And I'm filling that object with some dummy data, and that I am binding to employee detail page collection view. Same way on employee detail page 1 also I am binding same same view model. On code behind of employee detail page 1 also I am like a same view model I bind to current page binding context. And here in a grid item layout orientation is mandatory, and here like a span 2 means record are divided in 2 column if the orientation is vertical. So if I set right now it showing as a 3 column, if I set it to 2, then it divide the record in 2 column like that. And the same way if the orientation is horizontal, then it will divide records in 3 rows. Right now span 3 means it will divide record in 3 rows, and if I set it to 2, then it will divide record in 2 rows. Okay. And here on the tab of item I was displaying that model selected username, whatever, like on the click of this I am just displaying selected employee name. For that here on stack layout I declare stack layout gesture recognizer, and on the tab of this layout I just executing item selected command that I declared on employee detail page view model. Yeah, here I'm using this item selected command, and here command parameter will be a type of that employee model. So I'm using binding dot, means it will bind that all the property, like it will, I mean it will bind whole object. So on the tab of this I will get whole object detail. See here, because I have declared command that that is the type of employee model. Because of that, here I am passing command parameter as binding dot, means it will pass whole object, and I declare that command outside of collection view. Because of that, here I am setting source as a reference to current page, and that part will be a binding context dot item selected command. So it will execute. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thank you so much for watching it.